Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel in Expert Coding. I am Amarjeet and today I tell you how to make cal calendar, how to make calendar from Python programming without any application, only using Google Chrome. So simply you can make calendar from Python. So this type calendar I show you um, this type calendar how can make this type calendar without any application, only use Google Chrome. So let's go. Mm, Don't skip this video. Try to understand on this video. So first I open your Google Chrome and here write Python online compiler. Python online compiler and here come online Python compiler and interpreted programming. So click here and open my Python. So here write first first I import calendar. First I import calendar. First I import calendar. Then here take year. Year. Mm, Now the year. Now going on. Year 2022. Here right 2022. You can take 2022, 2023, 2021. Your and take month. Now going on to 12. 12 months. You can take any month 11, 10, 7, 8, 9. So I take 12 months. And here I take a variable. There I store my calendar. So I take variable in variable C is equal to here write calendar, calendar month. And now I take a bracket and here write year, year and month. My program is completed. So only 4 line program for calendar. So now then and then show our output, our calendar. So print our calendar. Only is write print and mm, then there take variable C. So this variable here put it C. Right? Here put it C and run our program. So here run our program and successfully completed my program and then and came my calendar. So December 2022. Today date. Today what date? What is the date? So today date is I can check this calendar. Today date 25 day Sunday. Yeah, 25 day Sunday. And I hope you understand my program. Mm,